afternoon. Today is Monday, 9th of March. I have here a green and orange juice, and the color looks pretty vile actually. It looks gray. I have half a grapefruit, 2 carrots, 1 cucumber. I've run out of coriander. Well, the shop had run out of coriander. And they only had down soup, so I put a bunch of down soup. I've got a couple of florets of broccoli. So what I did was I juiced the cucumber, grapefruit, slice of, no, not, I didn't juice the pineapple, sorry. I juiced the 2 carrots, slice of ginger, piece of ginger, 3 Granny Smiths, 1 cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, and then I put the 1 piece of turmeric in my Kuvings SV500 vacuum blender, and I put the down soup, a bunch of it, as well as the pineapple, poured 400 ml of the juice, vacuumed and zapped it up, and then poured it with the rest of the juice. So altogether I've got 800 ml of juice here, and I'm gonna taste it for the first time now. God, I was so pleasantly surprised. It tastes so good. The color is really misleading. Actually, I got more than just slightly more than 800 ml, maybe about 850 ml. of juice. The color is completely misleading. You know, it doesn't look appetizing at all. It looks gray rather than green, but the taste is really good. The piece of ginger and the piece of turmeric goes so well together. In fact, I could even add some black pepper and it go really well. This is the first time I'm juicing. I didn't juice it, I blended it. The down soup instead of mint or coriander, which I usually do. And it's really nice together with the broccoli. The sweetness of the pineapple and the grapefruit and the sourness works very well with the cucumber and carrot. This is a hybrid juice, both orange and green, and it turned out gray. Doesn't look good. It looks like ai long kang, but it tastes really awesome. So I'm gonna finish the rest now. Okay, I've drunk 800 ml, 2 glasses, and this is what's remaining. It's about a third of a glass, about 100 ml or so. So probably I made nearer 900 ml, just under a liter. It's really nice. The consistency is a juice. It's really smooth and tasty. Although I had blended a couple of florets of broccoli together with the down soup and the turmeric, it didn't make it thick like a smoothie. It's more like a very tasty juice. So I'm very pleased with myself. So I've got insoluble fiber from the down soup, turmeric, as well as what do you call it, pineapple, and the insoluble fiber from the rest of the juice. In fact, I really should have put some black pepper, because black pepper has piperin, which would increase the bioavailability of the curcumin in the turmeric. Curcumin is a polyphenol. In fact, I think I ought to mention here that most people, when they think of turmeric, they think of curcumin, but actually turmeric has over 1,000 polyphenols, of which curcumin is only one. So it's so much better to consume whole turmeric than curcumin extracts which you buy from the pharmacy. You're doing your body a whole world of good if you take the whole turmeric as opposed to curcumin extract. And make sure you take it together with the black pepper so that you can maximize the absorption of the curcumin by your body.